This will be very useful if you are a video creator for social media, for YouTube, or even for your clients. As you can see here, I received some days ago an early access invitation for the new ElevenLabs sound effects future, and I will show you how it works in this video. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. As you may know, I consider ElevenLabs as of today absolutely the best AI voice generator. They sound natural, you can clone your voice, you can do speech to text, you can do speech to speech, and many other things. I already made a complete review about ElevenLabs. You can find a link in the description, and if you want, you can even subscribe for free, because you have a free package with ElevenLabs with some limits, obviously, and then if you like it, you can try the other packages. The price is quite good. And very soon now they will implement this new sound effects future. As I said, I have an early access, so I will show you how this works. It's in the beta stage, obviously, and if you subscribe, I don't think you can have it now, but I suppose you can request access inside the ElevenLabs site or in their Discord community. So if you are a video creator or a professional audio creator, you know, sometimes it's very difficult and time-consuming to find the best and the perfect sound effects for what you need to produce, but now with AI you can generate sound effects, and obviously we know AI is able to generate voices very well, it's able to generate music quite well, and why not generate sound effects? So let's try to use this sound effects feature. It's very simple, this interface. I just need to describe the sound effect I want and click on the generate button. I used my U.com Pro account to talk with different AI models, in this case with Claude 3 Opus, and if you want to go watch my video review about U.com, the Pro version, because you can have 1 month for free with my code. But anyway, I asked Claude 3 in this case to generate some ideas for interesting and unusual sound effects, so we can try. And let's take, for example, this one, a ghostly whisper echoing through an abandoned asylum's corridors. Just for the sake of this example, let's go here in this ElevenLabs field. I paste it here and generate sound effects. Perfect, it took some seconds, and now I have 5 different generations of my audio, of my sound effects. I can download if I want, or I can play them here. Let's listen. And this is version 1 for this ghostly whisper. Let's listen this second one. Not too different in this case, but this is I suppose they will be quite similar. And the last one. Okay, I have my headphone and I have to say the quality is pretty good, and I can also hear a quite good stereo sound. But let's try another example. This time I used GPT-4 Turbo to generate some other ideas. Let's take this one, produce the sound of a bustling underwater metropolis with muffled conversation, the hum of submarine traffic, and the gentle echo of bubbles rising to the surface. I don't know if this sound effect generator can generate something so complicated, but let's try. I have my 5 generations, let's hear them. I can hear some bubbles effect. This is in fact a very particular sound effect. This is different from the one before. Let's hear this one. The bubbles rising in the surface. Okay. And this is quite short. Let's try with something completely different. This time I want to ask GPT-4 Turbo give me some ideas of cartoon-style sound effects. These are quite classic sound effects. Let's take these. The first one, the classic weighty clang followed by a high-pitched boing as a character gets flattened in the bounces back. Perfect, let's listen these 5 generations. This is very short. Okay, I don't know if in this case this AI understood well what I wanted, so I will change slightly this prompt. For example, the classic cartoon style. I added this cartoon style. I want to see if it makes any difference. Okay, let's hear them. These are more cartoon style. Okay, perfect. So, as you may hear, it really depends from the prompt you give AI. The same thing you do when writing something, it's the same thing even in generating sound effects. The more you are specific, the more you describe what you want, and the better will be your sound effect. And when you generate all these sound effects, you have this history tab here, where you can have a list of all your generated sound effects. So you can go here, open this list, and you have your effects. And that's it. This was just to show you one of the new features that will come very soon with ElevenLabs. And again, if you don't know how ElevenLabs works for AI voices, you can find my video review here on my channel. The link is in the description, and you can subscribe for free to ElevenLabs and try it because it's awesome. Okay, perfect. This was really a quick video just to show you this new feature. I hope you enjoyed, and if so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can click here if you want to see my video review for ElevenLabs. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you soon in the next video.